The M1 Abrams is more than just a tank. It is a 70-ton statement of geopolitical power. Since its introduction in 1980, it has evolved from a Cold War defender to the most survivable platform on the modern battlefield. But in 2026, as drone warfare and anti-tank guided missiles redefine the front line, is the Abrams becoming a relic, or is it still the king of the hill? Today we analyze the engineering, the logistics, and the tactical reality of the M1A2 SEPv3, the engineering and armor. The core of the Abrams' reputation is its survivability. Unlike its Soviet counterparts, the Abrams was designed with a crew-first philosophy. Chobham armor discussed the composite layers of ceramic, steel, and depleted uranium. Blowout panels explain how the ammunition is stored in a separate compartment. If the tank is hit, the blast goes upward, away from the crew. The weight problem. At nearly 74 tons for the newest versions, we need to discuss how this limits where the tank can actually go. It can't cross every bridge in Eastern Europe. A tank is only as good as its eyes and its teeth. The gun, the 120mm M256 smoothbore, mentioned the M829A 4 armor-piercing rounds. Hunter-killer capability. Explain how the commander can find a target while the gunner is destroying another. This multitasking is what makes Western tanks faster in a fight. SEPv3 upgrades focus on the increased electrical power and the digital architecture that allows it to link with drones and satellites. This is where the peace enforcement and conflict analysis comes in. The AGT 1500 turbine. Most tanks use diesel. The Abrams uses a jet engine. It's quiet and fast, but it burns 2 gallons of fuel just to start up. The tail. For every Abrams on the front line, you need a massive line of fuel trucks and specialized mechanics. This is why many countries prefer the Leopard 2. It's simply easier to keep running. We have to address the elephant in the room, drones. In recent conflicts, we've seen multi-million-dollar tanks destroyed by $500 FPV drones. We'll look at the Trophy Active Protection System, APS, the radar-guided shield that shoots down incoming projectiles before they hit the hull. Without this tech, the Abrams is just an expensive target. The Abrams remains the gold standard for crew survival. While its logistics are difficult, its ability to win a direct engagement is unmatched. In the world of defense tech, you pay for what you get. And what do you think? Is the Abrams weight its biggest enemy? Let's discuss in the comments. Thanks for watching.